Salam alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? Okay, today's product is called Empire. Okay, so this is a product which is is been released only to a particular Facebook group, not like normally I do it in Warrior Plus and JV Zoo. This is not like a product like that. It is a product from Fergal Downs. It's been released only to the people who are part of that group, so it's not like released generally for the public. So that's something I should tell you before starting the review of this product. Thing is, this is if you should have heard about 24 hours profit. If you have heard, I'm not sure, like the one of the previous product of Fergal Downs, that was like one of the successful product from him. It is like it was selling crazy, and the most important reason is, if you see, this is the main reason. You can see there's a price here, the price of $2 to get into the course. That itself makes the course more attractive. First thing, that's the main reason. And what you're going to learn, you can see this, it's a newbie friendly system, reveals how to build a highly successful affiliate marketing empire without any prior experience. You can see this is a complete system for building an affiliate marketing, free traffic methods. That's what the most important thing you're going to learn. I'll show you inside the membership area. What Fergal teaches you is that how you can leverage that free traffic of Facebook in order to sell any affiliate offers. Of course, in this product, he'll show you mainly, like, if you don't have any other product, you can still start promoting this Empire product itself. Okay, you can start promoting this same product as your own product. That's something possible only if you join, if you join this product. If you buy this product, that's for $2. So that's the idea behind the product. But anyway, I'll just show you inside what you're gonna get, that so you get an idea of whether it's worth or not. Okay, it's no technical skills, just to stop buying new training courses. Okay, inside Empire you get everything. A small amount of effort equal to big result. Okay, go through the sales pages here. Just the link in the description, you can go through it. It gives you an idea what it's all about. Let's jump into the membership area. I'll show you what you're going to get. Okay, so if you click the link below, you will land here. Okay, so this is the page you will land, and then this is the membership area. So what are you going to learn from this product? If you see this here, this is what you're going to learn. The idea behind this product is, as a newbie, as a beginner, without any website, you can start making money. And that too, he promises maximum within 24 hours to 48 hours, it is easy to make a sale. Reason why thing is, in this product, he shows you the free traffic Facebook strategy. That's like one of the, I know I myself have used it before for other Warrior Plus products. He's very, very good in making use of that. That's what he shows inside the product, how to leverage the free traffic of Facebook easily. And that too, when a product is just like $2. Of course, actually it starts with $2 to go into the product to learn all this things here. Oh, we've done for your product. What you're going to get, like getting paid, Facebook can set up, joining groups, viral Facebook group, viral posts, how to get landing page. Don't even bother, because I'm using a landing page for ClickFunnels, which is $297 I pay, but it shows you the cheapest way to do the landing page. That's really good. Interacting with with the person whom you're talking the Facebook, that's PM on your phone, viral engagement, 1,000 sales funnels, and conclusion. The thing is, this Facebook traffic strategy, it will work for any niche. Of course, in this product, in this course, in case when you're a newbie, when you don't have any product, he gives you that link in order to promote this Empire. He gives you that affiliate link. You can get only that affiliate link to promote this product itself only through him. Okay, no other way. So that's the only way you can gonna get the link, and you can start promoting. That's what is done for your product. This is the entire product you'll be selling. So imagine you're buying this product for $2. You can start promoting it even before the 14 days free. After 14 days or 15 days, you're going to be charged $34. It's going to be a membership kind of thing. If you see here, method 1, method 2, method 3. Method 1 is what you're learning here. Method 2 will be open only after 14 days. Method 3 will be open after 30 days, I think. Yeah, 30 days from here. So it's a membership kind of thing. Every month you will be released with a new traffic module, like a new traffic strategy for you to learn. That's the idea behind it. And what they have done in such a way that you can see this Promote Empire, you are part of this, you're going to be promoting this own product. That's if you don't have any product, you can easily promote this one. That's what this is going to give you, all the ideas and strategies to promote this product. To be frank, a newbie who is beginner, by just paying $2 is going to learn all these strategies. That's really worth. I'm telling you, it's such a worth investing a $2 to learn all these skills. Imagine, even like after 14 days you're going to pay $34. Just imagine if you can just sell 2 of them, 2 people buy from you this Empire product from you, that membership cost is covered. Like, you're going to get every month $17 or so, like, because somebody is going to pay $34, you're going to get paid 50% of it, like $17. So imagine just 2 sales if you're going to make, you're going to be covering the membership here. So thing is, you also going to benefit to learn these strategies, and people who are going to buy it from you also going to learn from learn these strategies. So it is something you are helping somebody. Okay, that's, you might be thinking that you are trying to sell the same and to somebody, but to be frank, you are helping somebody to learn the skills. This skill here can make like a full-time income, guys. I'm telling you, I have promoted many of the products through this strategy. So it's really, and when the product price is just $2, people will be ready to go for it. That's where the secret of this product is. The idea behind the product is making this cost so low, so people will be ready to jump in, try the product, and of course, if they're happy, they're going to continue. Of course, many people might leave the product and go, but I'm saying you, it's all about, how you're going to involve, putting that extra effort compared to others, in order to promote this product. That's the idea behind this. So that's Empire, guys. The previous product of Fergal, it's same kind of a product, 24-hour profit is for $2. Thing is, that was like just one strategy, khalas, that is like finished. But here he has made it as a membership kind of a thing, where he's going to, like, after 14 days you're going to learn a new strategy, then after every month you're going to release a new strategy, and it is going to update you with how to promote it, how to go with the product. That's what the extra thing of Empire, like a product, how he's going to push that as like every month you're going to get updated. And what he's done is in such a way, this if I press, if you see, it will be written after 14 days you're going to learn that thing. It's not going to release. What he has done also, this competition and support group, of course, and also the most important thing is live coaching call. It's like you're going to be live coaching with Fergal Downs. So imagine, he's like a 7-figure marketer, and you're going to learn from him. That's really worth for like $34 per month. It's a lot. It's like, if you really want to talk with him, like, you're going to chat with him, minimum like $500, $297, $500, at least you have to pay for a 1 hour coaching. It's like a monthly live coaching call. You're going to get that. That's really a good one for $34. Like, of course, for 14 days you're paying only $2. And this one here competition, what he has done is, people whoever get more sales, like Empire selling his course, they're going to be awarded accordingly. So that's what this competition is all about. So that's it, guys. That's Empire for you. The best part, as I said, is for $2 you're going to learn all these skills, of course, within like 2-3 days itself, and you can start implementing it, and of course you're going to see results. Okay, that's the best part of this. And also like there is going to be funnel, actually. I'm not sure exactly, there's a funnel of this product which is not mentioned here. I'm sure it is going to be like similar to the previous product. It's like when you go through it, like front end, it teaches you how to do it. The second upsell is going to be upsell is like around $17 or something, I think, where he's going to teach you, give you those done for you campaigns in order to promote this product. So that is the one. And then like another done for you option, like that is like $34. It's not too much. It's like $17, $34 and stuff. So that's what it's totally up to you. Even the front end is good enough for you to promote. Only thing is, you have to put together the campaign to promote it. Here he shows you how to do it. In the upsells, he gives you the done for you campaigns. That's the difference between guys. So it's your wish, but just for $2, the tactics and tricks you're going to learn, it's going to be fully worth it. I'm telling you, it's going to be fully worth it. If you're a newbie, you would have not known about these, these tricks, how to make use of the Facebook. He's going to teach you that. Okay, that's Empire guys for you from Fergal Downs. He's a guy I know who always make use of the free Facebook traffic and also other traffic method which is more free. Of course, he teaches you like once you get more money rolling in, you can start investing and go for the paid ads. That's true. He teaches that. But to start with, this is good enough for you to have like 10, 20, 30 members under you, and then once the money keeps rolling, you can always jump onto paid traffic. That's always good because that's gonna skyrocket your journey. That's what it is. So in case if you like it and if you're going to click the link and buy it through the in the description, I'm going to give you some cool bonuses here, which is like way more than $2. Imagine all these bonuses here. If you see this as a newbie, this is the most important thing. If you want to approve, it's very hard to get approved. This will help you. And this full affiliate marketing course, like this is like top-notch bonuses only to do with affiliate marketing. This itself, it's like way more than $2, guys. Okay, just imagine, even if you buy it and if you're going to learn this thing, it's a lot for $2 you're going to get it. And in case if you're going to not continue after 1 month or 2 months, if you're going to leave it, I'm not going to ask you. You can keep all the bonuses to yourself. Okay, so that's for you. So all this is going to be high-end bonuses for you. This is normally I deliver in Warrior Plus or JVZoo, but this product is ClickBank. So you need to hit me up on the messenger. You can see this in the messenger or my Facebook group. I can, once you buy it, hit me up. I'll give it to give the link to you. That's the only way I can do. If it was JVZoo or Warrior Plus, I could have delivered instantly. But if it is, since it's ClickBank, hit me up after buying. I'll give you all these bonuses to you. So no problem with that. And that's it, guys. I think I have explained to you about Empire. So that's Empire for you. I'm sure you will gonna like those these kind of Facebook tricks which you're going to learn from this free Facebook. Of course, don't even think that it's only to promote Empire. All these ideas, what it teaches you, you can very easily use that for Warrior Plus, JVZoo, any other product. Why it more attracts this Empire more is because of that low end product, like $2. People do, it's like very less than a coffee price. There are people ready to spend and they're going to want to learn. That's why newbie can easily spend and learn some new skills. That's why this sells a lot compared to like $20, $30 course. This is going to be more attractive for a newbie to buy. That's why the price is ranged in such a way, and then like after 14 days they can pay $34. And so that's it, guys. That's Empire for you. So if you like it, click the link below and get it. And if you have any doubts, questions, hit me up. And if this is first time watching, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.